Logbook loans online. A buyer who is strapped for funds might make a logbook loan making use of their automobile as security for the funds obtained in the loan. These loans are loans created on the obvious logbook from the vehicle. There are several requirements concerning the power to guarantee this loan, but for the most part, these are loans for individuals who don't desire a credit exam and need money immediately. Logbook loans are funds which are supplied by lenders against the document function of auto. The important information is contained by this document about the car, including frame number or motor number, VIN number, enrollment number and details about the authorized owner. The owner is a man who is accountable for paying taxes and automobile. When you have as security no home or resources to put United Kingdom, it's demanding to avail loan. A logbook funding may be directed at an automobile operator if the logbook is clear, which means that there are no obligations connected to the automobile. Before a logbook loan could be extended to operator, any fees or insurance owed on the vehicle will be paid. The car should also be authorized under the title of the individual seeking the loan. It can't be somebody else's car. And it should stay in the logbook loan recipient's name for the period of the loan. The automobile can't be offered without first fulfilling the loan. An automobile being supplied up for a logbook financing must be in very good condition with a maximum of 10 years old. The proprietor should have a MO certification on it, to assure that the car has been properly looked after and that insurance policy is kept on the car constantly. Then, every 3 years, a fresh MO review may occur to ensure the automobile is around the requirements of a vehicle capable to generate on the roads of the UK. Where individuals aren't required to promise house or resources to obtain cash so as to supply the alternatives to such customers, logbook loans have been introduced by lenders. Here, you only want to deposit the logbook of automobile from the money and you still keep the employment of automobile with no problems. In other words, it really is a guaranteed mortgage, not against your house but against the car. It will help their immediate financial requirements to be met by borrowers. This choice of funds doesn't contain credit check. It indicates, poor credit borrowers who've been refused funds in previous may get the money and it will not change your credit history whatsoever. Besides maintaining the car in very good condition, a vehicle operator must pay insurance and all the fees on the car although it's under a logbook borrowing. A valid license will be needed by it at all occasions, along with insurance, and the driver will need to protect any highway fees that appear during possession of the automobile. The operator of the car should have a full-time career or a constant flow of earnings to get such financing. So the proprietor of the automobile can reimburse the logbook loan in a way this is. You don't have to get worried over poor credit, because these loans don't demand a credit check. These loans on the automobile's logbook are specifically created for individuals with bad credit or completely. It is just a means for them when they wanted most to get fast money. Usually, quantity of loan is determined by the worthiness of auto, but lenders may give money around 50,000. Then don't worry, if you're not certain where to handle logbook loans. Where they can locate great amount of online lenders, candidates can consider the aid of net. Online lenders not just supplied immediate financing but offer free quotes via email. With the support of online quotations, borrowers will make a great assessment between many quotations. Before trying to get a loan with a logbook, a new driver must make certain the funds can be comfortably paid back by them through the repayment program agreed upon. Then authorities alert against going through with a logbook mortgage, when the monthly premiums are going to become too much of the load. Nevertheless, if a vehicle owner are looking for the money and match the logbook loan obligations within their budget, then this really is one easiest way to get it if all of the requirements are fulfilled and guidelines are followed throughout the loan period. For individuals who need cash today, for problems or whatever life has trusted them, they may get the funds they need through a logbook loan immediately and easily. You can find logbook loans on the web. Obtaining a logbook mortgage is simple, fast and discreet.